Hi, I'm Don, and I'm back with another one of my little friends. This is my friend DipStick. Say hello.
Hello.
So how are you today?
Well, I'm good.
That's great. So what's new? Anything?
Well,
You've found someone, huh?
sure.
Tell me about it. He's found a girlfriend.
Well, she's about my height.
Okay. And does she like anything you like?
Sure. Everything. We do everything alike.
You do.
I move, she moves.
Okay. And what else?
Well, she looks right in my eyes.
Okay.
Like this.
That's enough. Anything else?
Oh. She sings to me.
Wow, like what?
I'm in the mood for love. Something that's so exciting.
Oh, that's enough. First time you ever sang?
Oh no.
Anyway, tell me more about this girl you met. And where's she from?
The South.
Oh. Anywhere close?
Sure. The Hall.
The Hall of what? Records?
No. The Hall.
You're in love with a girl in the hall?
Sure.
Oh, she looks back at you?
Yeah.
And she sings to you?
Yeah.
Does she sing to you when you're singing?
Sure.
Do you know that's a mirror? That's a mirror in the hall. You're in love with yourself.
Oh, nuts. Are you sure?
I'm positive that's a mirror.
No wonder she looks so good.
Anyway, thanks for joining us.
Can we go look?
Yeah, we can, but it is the mirror.